Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting your first sheet into uniform squares. Use a ruler to mark 3x 3-inch or your preferred size. Once done, stack 6/8 sheets and align edges tightly so they act like one pad. Make sure to keep a scrap strip for testing adhesive strength. You're starting the process now, so focus on clean cuts and straight edges. Precise sheets make peeling and sticking far easier later. Next, you apply the adhesive to the top edge. Spread a thin line about 1/2 inch high using the glue stick or a light spray, keeping it even across the width. Once the glue is applied, clamp the stack under a heavy book or board for 15-20 minutes to set. This ensures a uniform bond without soggy spots. After pressing, gently peel the top sheet to check hold and ease of removal. If it peels too stiffly, reapply. Finally, you trim any uneven edges and separate pads into usable stacks. A straight blade gives the clean finish that prevents tearing. Once trimmed, test a few notes on different surfaces, glass, wood, painted walls, to confirm adhesion and removability. If a pad won't stick or leaves residue, apply a light coat of repositionable adhesive or swap the glue stick type. Conversely, if notes stick too firmly, rub the adhesive edge gently.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.